Children of God, good news. A Filipina recently received a papal award, the Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice Award. The award was given to Miss Desi Kelly, the CEO of Broadcast World. Broadcast World is a company that supplies broadcast equipment and technical support to radio and media networks, especially Catholic stations across the Philippines. Through her leadership, many diocesan radio stations strengthened their signal and expanded their reach. She supported the Catholic Media Network not only with equipments but also with documentation, compliance, and professional advice. She was known for her helpfulness and kindness. I personally know her even when I was still in my previous radio work in the southern Philippines. When I referred to her a priest who needed a transmitter in Occidental Mindoro, she went out of her way to help. She did not simply transact business. It's a shared mission for her. Truly, she is gifted to give.